Let's talk about the manufacturing standards of the Swegon Gold RX ERV. The Swegon Gold is designed to be very modular and scalable. The Swegon is available in sizes from 500 CFM all the way up to 18,000 CFM. The units are sectional. The main section, as you see here, includes the fans, the filtration, the energy recovery wheel, and the control system. Other modules are like building blocks on the main section. We can add coils. They could be electric coils, hydronic coils, refrigerant-based coils. We can add dampers. They can be indoor dampers, outdoor dampers if we're going to install the unit on a rooftop. All these sections become plug and play in the Swegon ecosystem. So whatever section we're adding, it's just a building block which we plug into the control system and becomes readily available for control. Let's talk about the environmental impact and construction of the Swegon ERV. The unit is now coated with the Magnelis coating that we see here on this door. This is a VOC coating that is designed specifically for harsher environments. Completely acceptable to install a Swegon ERV outdoor on a roof next to the ocean. The Magnelis material is also very durable and scratch resistant. The Swegon ERV is manufactured with 70% recycled steel. So what benefits do these construction standards provide to the design engineer or the owner over the life cycle of the Swegon Gold RX ERV? Let's talk about installation benefits. The Swegon ERV has single-side access, meaning this unit can be mounted flush to a wall. Ductwork can be either horizontal, or we can have all topside connections up to approximately 4,800 CFM. You can also choose between horizontal and vertical as well as a mix and match. Doors are mounted flush, swinging outwards, and providing complete access to all the components of the ERV. As the unit is constructed, it does not require external vibration isolation. In fact, it's not recommended. All these construction benefits allow the Swegon ERV to be installed inside a building and commonly next to occupied areas. Some of the safety benefits of the Swegon ERV are the dual position door handles. One click unlocks the door and releases the pressure. The second click or stage opens the door, allowing access to the internal components. All internal components are on quick mechanical and electrical disconnects, allowing them to be quickly unattached between modules or for removal and service. When looking at the footprint of the Swegon ERV, it is designed to be very compact and extremely quiet. The unit is so acoustically superior, it is commonly installed near occupied areas within a building. It also has extremely low leakage rates. On behalf of MSI, NIA, and Swegon, thank you for watching our educational series on very high efficiency DOAS. Please reach out to your local MSI representative to learn more about our Swegon systems.